Ever find the sun setting yet you're still out in the fields, hands in the soil, eyes on the crop? Ever feel like the list of tasks on your farm or in your garden never seems to shrink? If you've nodded in agreement, then you're not alone. The struggle for a balanced work life is a common concern for many, especially those in farming and gardening. The farming life in particular can be unpredictable and demanding. It's a profession that doesn't adhere to the typical 9-to-5 schedule. The same goes for dedicated gardeners. Plants don't wait. They grow, they bloom, they demand attention. This relentless cycle can leave one feeling overwhelmed and under immense pressure. But here's the thing. It doesn't have to be this way. The key is achieving a balance between work and life, between your responsibilities and your well-being. It's about knowing when to push on and when to pause. Now you might wonder, how does one achieve this elusive balance? Well, it starts with self-care. No, self-care doesn't mean neglecting your work. It means setting aside time to recharge, to ensure your physical, mental, and emotional health doesn't take a back seat. One crucial aspect of self-care is getting enough sleep. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It rejuvenates your body, sharpens your mind, and keeps you energized. So prioritize your sleep. Make sure you're getting a good 7 to 9 hours each night. Another important facet of self-care is maintaining a balanced diet. It's easy to skip meals or opt for quick, unhealthy options when you're caught up in work. But remember, your body needs fuel to function efficiently. So, take the time to prepare nutritious meals. Include plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your diet. But self-care isn't just about sleep and food. It's also about taking breaks. Yes, even in the midst of a busy day, taking short breaks can do wonders for your productivity and stress levels. It could be as simple as a 5-minute walk around the farm or a quick cup of tea in your garden. Remember, a balanced work life is not about doing more, it's about doing better. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's important to recognize the value of seeking support from others. Whether it's confiding in a trusted friend or family member, joining a support group, or seeking professional counseling, sharing the burdens and challenges of farming or gardening can provide perspective and emotional relief. Cultivating a strong support network can also foster a sense of belonging and connectedness, which are vital for mental health and resilience. It's about recognizing the signs of stress and burnout and taking steps to address them. This may include reaching out for professional counseling because it's easy to lose sight of the big picture when you can't focus on anything but the work you need to do. Know when to walk away even for a short while and clear your mind. People often forget that the impact of burnout on a person renders them far less efficient at their job. If you truly want to be there for your farm, garden, and of course your family, you owe it to yourself to maintain that critical balance, even if it means asking for help. Please see the link in the description for more information. To summarize, maintaining a work-life balance in farming and gardening can be challenging, but it's not impossible. It requires a commitment to self-care, which includes getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and taking regular breaks. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, not only will you manage stress better, but you'll also enhance your overall mental well-being. This, in turn, will reflect positively on your work, your relationships, and your life in general. So as you go about your daily tasks, remember to pause, breathe, and take care of yourself. Because you're not just a farmer or a gardener, you're a human being, and your well-being matters.